This is the ultimate guide to the best used luxury cars you can buy in 2025. Used luxury cars can be risky, but if you know what to look for, you can get incredible value, features, comfort, and performance for a fraction of the original price. Today, I'll walk you through 6 of the best options, diving into what makes each one special, from driving dynamics to reliability and unique features. I've researched, driven, and talked to owners to find the standouts. This isn't just a list, it's a deep dive into why these models deserve your attention in 2025. Let's get into the best used luxury cars for 2025. First up, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W213 generation, 2017-2023, the benchmark for executive comfort. The E-Class is all about quiet confidence and does everything exceptionally well. Ride quality is sublime, and the cabin is a masterpiece of design and materials. The dual-screen display and ambient lighting still feel modern and high-tech. It's not just comfortable, it's engaging to drive, especially with the inline-6 in the E450. The E-Class adapts to your mood-serene cruiser or capable performer. Reliability is better than most expect, just look for a solid service history. For the price of a new Camry, you get massaging seats, Burmester audio, and advanced driver assist tech. Distronic adaptive cruise control makes highway driving a breeze. Look for 2019 plus models for updated tech and lower mileage, well-maintained examples. Avoid cars with spotty records. The E-Class is the complete package, not the sportiest or flashiest, but the most well-rounded. It delivers true luxury in every aspect, from driving to how it makes you feel. For dependable, comfortable, and advanced used luxury, the E-Class is hard to beat. A true all-rounder for the smart luxury buyer. Next, the BMW 5 Series G30 generation, 2017 plus, the E-Class's perennial rival. If you love driving, this is your car. Sharp steering, balanced chassis, and a nimble feel. The 5 Series is engaging on any road yet still delivers true luxury. The interior is a huge step up, top-notch materials, intuitive iDrive, and even gesture controls. Driver aids, Bowers & Wilkins audio, and supremely comfortable seats round out the experience. Depreciation works in your favor. A 3-4-year-old 540i with the brilliant B58 engine is a steal. The B58 is reliable and tunable, but maintenance is key, don't skimp. Always get a full service history and a pre-purchase inspection. The 5 Series is for the executive with a wild side. Practical, comfortable, but never boring. It offers nearly all the comfort of the E-Class, but with much more driver engagement. If the journey matters as much as the destination, the 5 Series is your pick. It's a sports sedan that doesn't compromise on luxury. For those who want excitement and refinement, this is the used luxury car to get. The 5 Series, where driving pleasure meets everyday usability, a true enthusiast's choice. If German repair bills scare you, meet your sanctuary. The Lexus LS 460, 2007-2017. This car is legendary for reliability and build quality. Many easily surpass 300,000 miles. The LS philosophy is simple. Build the most dependable, quiet, and comfortable luxury sedan. Inside, it's whisper quiet and rides like a dream. The 4.6 LV8 is smooth, silent, and built to last. Materials age beautifully and the car feels timeless. Older, well-maintained examples are now incredibly affordable. Downsides, the tech is dated and the infotainment is clunky. It's not sporty, the steering is light, and it's all about comfort. But that's the point, the LS is a rolling oasis, making every drive relaxing. It's for buyers who value peace of mind and flagship luxury without flagship repair bills. You get a V8, rear-wheel drive, and legendary durability. The LS is the ultimate anti-anxiety machine in a world of complex luxury cars. Not exciting, but deeply satisfying for the smart, stress-free buyer. If you want luxury that lasts, the LS is unbeatable. Now, the Audi A6, C7 facelift, 2016-2018, or C8 2019 plus, depending on your budget. Audi is the tech and design leader, with interiors that feel like a high-end studio. The C7's retracting screen and the C8's virtual cockpit are highlights. Materials and fit are flawless. Audi's interiors are the best in the business. Quattro all-wheel drive is standard and brilliant, giving confidence in any weather. The A6 blends Mercedes comfort with BMW sportiness, a just-right option. The supercharged 3.0 V6 C7 and turbo V6 C8 are smooth and powerful. The A6 is a superb long-distance cruiser that's still fun on a good road. It's understated, sophisticated, and flies under the radar. Reliability is on par with rivals. Maintenance is crucial, especially for complex engines. Look for full service records and a thorough pre-purchase inspection. The A6 is for the technophile who wants clean design and all-weather capability. It's a smart, sophisticated, and deeply satisfying choice. If you want the best interior, quattro security, and balanced driving, the A6 is for you, the thinking person's German luxury sedan. Next, a game changer, the Tesla Model S, pre-2021 facelift. It's not traditional luxury, but it's redefined what premium means. Performance is mind-bending, instant silent acceleration that's addictive. The giant touchscreen controls everything, enabling a minimalist, futuristic interior. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets better while you sleep. Build quality can be inconsistent, but the tech is unmatched. The luxury here is in the technology and user experience, not traditional materials. You get access to the supercharger network and never pay for gas again. Maintenance is minimal, no oil changes or exhaust systems. Battery health is key check range and service history. Watch for common issues like door handles and screen yellowing. The Model S is for early adopters and tech enthusiasts who want to drive the future. It sacrifices old-school luxury for groundbreaking performance and innovation. Not for everyone, but if you want to embrace the electric revolution, it's a standout used buy. The Model S, still one of the most talked about cars on the road. Finally, the Porsche Panamera, first-gen facelift, 2014-2016, a step up in price and prestige. Controversial at launch, it's now proven itself as a true Porsche. The Panamera is the best handling, most athletic car on this list, a four-door 911. The hatchback adds real practicality, track day on Saturday, ski trip on Sunday. Inside, it's pure Porsche low driving position, central tachometer, and intuitive button-filled console. Maintenance is expensive. Pre-purchase inspection by a Porsche specialist is a must. Ownership costs are high, but so is the reward. Build quality and materials are exceptional, even above other Germans. Driving a Panamera is an event. V8 models sound incredible. Depreciation makes it a compelling used buy. Panamera S for the price of a new 5 Series. For those who dream of a Porsche but need sedan practicality, it's perfect. The Panamera blends performance, luxury, and surprising usability. It's a risky choice, but for the right buyer, the most rewarding one. The ultimate statement car for those who want it all. If you want a sports car with 4 doors, this is it. There you have it. 6 fantastic, very different choices for the best used luxury car in 2025. From the all-around Mercedes E-Class to the thrilling Panamera, each offers a unique flavor of luxury. The key: do your homework, prioritize maintenance history, and always get a pre-purchase inspection. Now, what's your favorite from this list? Or is there another used luxury hero you'd add? Let me know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more in-depth reviews and smart car buying tips. Until next time, drive safe and happy car hunting.